Alright, Derek, here's one of your 632 Airboat engines. Give you a description of this combination. That's there are CNC heads on it. Sniper manifold. Quick fuel carburetor. Got a custom ground hydraulic roller. It's got one of our custom oil pans on it. Innovator's West Stapner. Airboat Pacific valve covers. We'll go on there and make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 779 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 849, peaks horsepower 800, so rated 780, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card USB card full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It has some other specs. And also have your engine number. If you need it from us, that's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, got the QR code, click on that, take you to some other specifications, also tech tips, things of that nature. So highly recommend watching that. It'll definitely help your installation. Have a great day.